Hi guys. Okay, so we are on day 3 of multiplication. You have learned how to solve a problem using repeated addition. You have learned how to solve a problem using equal groups. Today, we are going to learn the strategy that we call using an array. So, we again have the same problem, 4 times 3, and we're going to figure out how much that equals. So our first number that we look at is 4. And the 4 here tells us how many rows we're going to have in our array. So notice here I put R1, R2, R3, and R4, just so that I know I have 4 rows. The second number that we're going to look at is a 3. And the 3 tells us how many we're going to put in each row. Again, guys, I like to use X's. It's just easy to keep it nice and neat. So I have 1, 2, 3 X's in each row. Then all I did was I went through and labeled each X with a number. So I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I know now, since I have a total of 12 X's, that 12 must be my answer. You could have also counted by threes, 3, 6, 9, 12. Whichever way gets you to your answer works.